Take a look at this beauty. 1996 DeVille with a special edition package. Now real quick, let's go just down the rundown of that special edition package. What that's going to mean is you have the simulated convertible top, which you can see on here. You're also going to have the gold exterior treatments, ornamentation if you will. You're also going to have leather seating, the chrome wheels, electrochromatic mirror, illuminated vanity mirrors, and driver and passenger power reclining seats. Now, I mentioned chrome wheels. These are new wheels. Chrome is good on them. Now, the other good thing about this car, low miles, a little over 15,000 miles on this car. The original owners had it up until 2019. You can tell it was their baby. It definitely shows. Window sticker still with the car, owner's manual still with the car. Now, if you want to check the pictures out, so you can see the interior underside, you'll be able to check out the picture of the window sticker. All of the pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below the video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, phone number 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Now, underneath the hood, 4.6 liter V8 paired with an automatic transmission with overdrive. As far as the paint condition on this car, I mean, considering this is a 25-year-old car and it's black, paint is in nice shape. Are you going to find a few little touch-ups? You can see there, and there'll be some, just real, just light scratches in the clear, but overall, take a look at the reflection of that. See the ceiling above us here. Great luster of the paint. The simulated convertible top, also in nice shape. Take a look up and down the side of this. It's not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Riding on Michelin XW4s. Great radials. Interior, and it's like brand new as far as the interior goes. And I'll pop the other door open. I rolled down both windows on each side so you can just take a look at how original and how nice a shape this interior is in. It's like the interior in the rear. See, it's just never been sat in. Check out the trunk. It's kind of a time capsule. 25-year-old one, a lot of miles left in this one. Reliable cars. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Do have a little scuff here in the rear. From going in and out of the trunk, you'll have that once in a while on these cars. It does have the automatic closing trunk feature. Just click it shut. It's going to pull it down the rest of the way. Electric pull down, you may call it. All right, up and down the driver's side, take a look at this. And again, you can see the reflection of the showroom. There's the row of cars behind me, all the way to our front door. So you can tell this car shows well. A couple touch-ups, some real fine, just kind of touch-ups that it's so tough to get them to show up. You really got to be looking to find them. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Sable black is what they would have considered this, with a black leather interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. First of all, power seat adjusters here, and that is for both sides. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. There's your power recliner down here. Steering wheel controls for fan and temperature. I believe it's radio on the other side. Go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Yeah, so you have volume and station select on here. Now, as far as miles, there they are, 15,254. No warning indicators on, anything like that. That's just a seatbelt one. I don't have my seatbelt on. But trip information. So you can check out gas mileage, how far to empty, and of course your heat and AC controls there. Stereo system, and then take a look at the dash. It's not faded, not cracked. You can tell this car was stored indoors. There's no doubt about it by looking at the paint and the interior. This thing runs so smooth. If you've had the opportunity to ride in one of these, you know what I'm talking about. They go down the road so smooth, quiet. Any of these mid-90s, early 2000s Cadillacs. Beautiful cars to cruise in. Just what you expect. Nice, quiet, smooth running engine and exhaust. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to show you the engine bay. Nice and tidy this is. Let's check it out here. Here you are, hood open. Check out the hood liner. Very, very clean. Does not appear this thing is driven in any sort of inclement weather. I have not seen any sort of, bubbling or anything on the paint, anything like that. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirms miles. And look at how smooth that runs. Maintain these engines, they'll go a long ways. All right, 1996 Cadillac DeVille, a little over 15,000 miles on a special edition package. Original owners had up till 2019. I do not see any sort of paint work on this. Beautiful looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.